Hello, this is Noha. This project for the Course Foundation of STEM Education submitted for Professor Fatma Al-Zahra Salem. My project is about STEM in my major as a physics educator. I'm Noha Hassan, science teacher. I'm graduated from physics department, faculty of girls in Shams University. I am now studying or taking diploma, STEM diploma that prepares me for being a science teacher that teaches with the STEM way. Okay, STEM as an educational system that stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, as it facilitates understanding and applying to help students to practice more than studying, more than remembering. So in this new way, it moves the traditional barriers and help in generating thinking using communication skills like solving problem also, and generate ideas to solve the grand challenge that faces our country. Okay, to know how can I apply this in my major as a physics teacher, by determining which concept will help the students to overcome the problem that faces any problem that faces our country, or the current challenges that are making a problem. So they have to firstly know how to solve this problem by studying different concepts. That goes along with the prior knowledge, and so it helps them to build a new knowledge and starting to practice applying it and find a solution for different problems. And by using these different solutions in the real life, in the real grand challenges that faces their country, so they will make a connection between what they learned and what they have in the real life, or how they can apply this in their real life. For example, in physics, they can know what is the main problems they have here in their country or anywhere, and try to find a solution by using the concept they studied already in STEM curriculum. Which means they're going to search, for example, for how to solve the problem of global warming. They will start to find out, make their own research, and here that stands for the center of the educational process is the student itself. There's no teacher saying to them or telling them or teaching them how to find the solution. No, they are going to research by themselves, and after that they will apply it in how they can solve this problem to help and solve the grand challenges they have. And that's how they can learn how to solve the problems in their own way. And also they use helpful material. They can use the recycled material to solve this problem. And this all works in the STEM way by using the main framework that is called backward framework design. This framework, it opposes the traditional educational process in preparing the framework. First of all, we start by the key idea or the learning outcomes they have to know or they have to learn first, and after that we will find out how they are going to assign how we are going to assign them or assess them, or how we will know how they understood really or not. Then after that we will plan how to learn, how to be teached these things. First of all, in this framework, knowing the learning outcomes, knowing the objectives, the desired result to the students, they have to know. And after that, the way they are going to be assignment with, or assisted with. And after that, the plan of this learning outcome, how we will use different material, how can we start to discuss this with the students. These all works in the STEM educational system to make it easy and make it centered on the student itself to know and find out the knowledge he wants to know by himself. And the role of the teacher here is only a monitor for this learning process. I hope you find this video helpful for you, and thank you for listening.